I was just afraid that it's just gonna go BOM! Excuse me, sir. I do not consent to be on there.
So after driving the M5, biggest thing that we've noticed is that it needs more noise. Quick shout out again to P1 Motorsports. So we're actually going to be installing this exhaust for the new M5. You guys can go ahead and use the link below. Get yourself a new exhaust for any of the vehicles, specialized in Porsches, BMWs, all the European vehicles. But specifically, if you want to get one for the M5 Touring, this is the place to go. So we're going to get this thing installed. We're going to change the sound of this vehicle, go over everything from there, and hopefully it just opens it up and makes it sound way better than it already does.
Oh, it's getting delivered?
No UPS though.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to be FedEx.
Fortunately, like this.
Because I can't get this one right here.
It's glowing again. Get out.
Do you see where it is?
Is he? That's not easy at all, it is. I don't think we should ever do that.
Yeah, just leave it.
I really feel like this. Gotta do another. No, I think it's connected right here, bro. I'll just maneuver it through. Like pull it towards you. Yeah.
Well, no, it's hitting the...
Here, I'll lift it up.
That was so fast.
Push it to your right.
Right?
There you go.
Alright, slow down,
Everything's
slow down,
straight
slow
now.
down. Oh, hold on. We got stuck on something here.
Be careful. Oh my gosh.
Hey, how are you? I'm glad you're okay. Everything good? Glad.
Yeah. Watch out.
Hey, look at your dog. Look at Peter.
You can put it down here.
Okay, come on, put it down.
Okay, go.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh, we're kind of stuck here.
Okay.
Here we go.
That was so fast.
Take off the hangers.
Why was that so easy to do?
Well, because there's 3 people.
Well, because we didn't have to... The last one, the rear bumper had the inserts and it went through instead of having that.
Dude, I can take care of the things in the front. Okay, let me report that. Oh, there you go. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Make sure you see which side they go on. Here. Look.
Yeah, I mean, it's very obvious.
I don't know.
There you go.
Walla, walla, walla.
Say voila.
I have it backwards.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Of course. You know which one's your right?
Yeah, right here.
What's your left?
That's not right.
It needs a what?
That's why I asked if there was gaskets, because, I mean, unless we tighten it,
It's not
yeah.
all the way to it.
No, it is.
Because that's how that one is. There's no gaskets on it.
Yeah, should be fine.
Or who are you trying to reach?
The nut.
Yeah, that's okay. That'll be okay.
That is,
Torque it up. Not yet.
Yeah, we need a little loose.
hold on. Let's do one at a time. Do this one. Okay.
Just put it all the way back. That's the right one.
Are you sure? The one.
That one. Right there. Yeah, we have to adjust them later, but
Yeah, that's okay.
wait, I'll hold this. You guys will do that.
Well, this I can put clamps on it. But I want to take the clamps out and do it again.
You need
give me one on this side.
Huh?
There's no clamp on that one.
I know.
Yeah, that's fine. Imagine you start and shoots flames. Damn, dude, that's so loud. Hello?
Alright, ready?
Yeah. I was just afraid that it's just gonna go bah. That's what I was, because when we did his, it was
Yeah.
just, whoop, bah. Oh shit. Oh wow, it turned all purple. That's fine.
Is it hot now?
Not really. Just warm.
Alright, I'm gonna lower it a little bit so then I can do the wiring for it and then we'll attach the muffler in there.
Cool beans.
Okay, close your ears.
Drop her down.
Just a little bit more. There you go. Okay, now push it in.
Put the brackets back up before you do that.
Go back over. Look at
You just gotta yank it back a lot.
Hey, yeah. Wallah, eh? Wallah.
No, what?
Marathon? Yeah.
You have to go back.
Oh, that's watch your finger? You're on the right path.
I'm honored to give him his first tour.
Whose is this?
There's things.
Oh, that's Vane's?
Dude, this color, what's this color called?
No,
Miami blue, probably, right?
In the storage outside.
What's the MSRP on this? 160?
I think like 140. 140? I have the MSRP inside.
It's right here.
What's this? Oh yeah, it's right there. Ouchie.
Where's the mark up?